Welcome to the Evolved Sim subscribers and those who have not, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribing my channel so that you can see my latest videos first. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss on the case study that why Tata Nano failed in India. So please watch this video till end. So let's start our today's video. So guys, from last 2 weeks I was not able to upload any video, so sorry for that, I was busy in summer. So let's start our today's case study that why Tata Nano failed in India. Tata Nano was the car which was priced a little higher than an iPhone 11, and this car was getting an eyeball attraction from all over the world, and this car was having attention seeking potential in it, as the price of this car was just 1 lakh rupees and no one was believing this. Competitors were saying that car in 1 lakh is not possible, but public was saying please it could happen. And when President Barack Obama visited India, he praised Tata Nano and the car became world famous, and the growth of the company increased every hour, and due to overbooking the company took 22 months to deliver its first 1 lakh cars. Media gave this car a tagline of world's cheapest car, and Ratan Tata dreamed to give one car to each family in India. And if this car was getting so much fame from all over the world, so why did this car fail in India? The car was missing value? No, value was good. The price? No, price was the strength of this car, and the quality was also good enough. If the car was having so much features, so why does this car fail in India? Now see this, the tag of cheapest car in the world was the biggest reason for the failure of this car. Now let's have a look that why the tag of world cheapest car became a failure for this car. Price of the car was the strength. Car in 1 lakh rupees was the power. Reason of failure, positioning was weakness. It should be taken in a subtle way. Tag of cheapest car was indirectly taken as the tag of unreliability for this car. And it's very difficult to make a car in just 1 lakh rupees. Here company have to save money in every terms. In case of design, engineering and production, Tata Group has taken a big risk. No one is able to do this, but Tata Group should be appreciated for this work. A car in just 1 lakh rupees is not easy to make. But the Tata Nano was said to be a blown up matchbox, which was a replica of an auto rickshaw having 4 wheels and which was looking like a mouse. And when the cheap were joined with the name of Tata Nano, it was indirectly taken as unreliable. And during this, out of 3 lakhs car, 2 or 3 cars got fired due to some accidents, and the marketing team was not able to make a positive rebuttal, and value of car decreased. The tag of world's cheapest car gave a tag of unreliability to this car. Another reason was that Tata Motors decided to give one car to each family in India, but there are some limitations. For cities, Nano was good, roads are wider and smooth and families are small, but in villages roads are not good for driving and families are big, and this can harm the mechanical system of the car. And the car was said to be unsafe for driving. Due to the tag of unreliability, people prefer to buy a second-hand Alto of same price instead of a new Tata Nano. A survey was taken in which people were asked who will look more good, the man driving a Tata Nano or the man driving a bike. And 90% of people said that the man riding a bike will look more good even if the price of Tata Nano and bike are same. And people said that it would be his or her compulsion that they are driving Tata Nano, and this line hurted many people who were driving Tata Nano at that time. It was said that they would be having some financial problem for which they are driving Tata Nano, and the popularity of Tata Nano then decreased constantly. And in India, if you are driving a Tata Nano, then you will be treated like a poor, and if you are having an Audi, then you will be treated as a rich. In India, car is a critical success factor for a man proved to be successful, that whether you are driving a Tata Nano or an Audi. So guys, this was the case study that why Tata Nano failed in India, but this is not there. There is a second part of this video also, and if you find this video interesting, so please hit the like button, and the like aim of this video just of 100 likes. Share this video with your all friends and relatives so that they can also know that why Tata Nano actually failed in India. So for today's video, this was all, and let's meet in another exciting video. Till then, goodbye, and as you always say, stay fit and healthy, and thanks for watching the video.